you in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
Okay, we're in a little alley right here. It's called Beco Arruda. And we're also at a cross street, so we're gonna just try to give you a little feel of what it looks like. There's this one, then we're on this very, very busy street right here. And we are going to explore a little bit around here. And then we'll also just show you this, which is gonna be our target street. So stay tuned for that. Arruda Alley in Macau, up on the map. I don't always film, I think I might have only filmed this once, I'm not sure. I'll put it up on the thumbnail on the back so you can always see any Macau video. If I've been there another time, I'll have it in the thumbnails so you can see the incarnation of it, of what it looked like at different time periods. You can just follow it all the way back to the first time that I filmed it. But I think this one is one of the ones that maybe I've only filmed maybe once or twice in the past. But anyways, it's Arruda, it's an alley. And I also got the lyrics, so we put the lyrics here for you as well, so you can see what that was all about. And we're just gonna get right into it and do the walk and talk for Arruda Alley in Macau. So there is Beco da Arruda. We're gonna look that up a little bit later. Then we got this is St. Dominic's. So that's actually called St. Dominic's. And we're gonna go into this alley. Portuguese bookstore, the Saddle Square is down that way. So a lot of the stuff that people like to go see is down that direction. And we are going to go into this alley. And this particular alley, there's some kind of cool artwork. You can see some right there. Are you still young? And then some architecture too, that's kind of interesting. So I don't know why, but there's like these little circular ones all the way up. Then that's kind of an interesting building too, this green one. And then this one goes into, it's a little, we'll come around. That'll be part of our video, I think, since we're kind of here anyways. So we're gonna go onto the other side of that in a moment. And we're gonna film on one side and then come back to the other side. So you can see through these buildings. This used to be, this red and white one right here used to be the cinema. If we come back here, we have Japanese ramen, emperor ramen, and then this little dumpling as well. You can capture some of the feeling here. Combo meal, that smells really good. So this one, I have a good friend that comes here often for dumplings. Here's a salon. Then we also have a sporting goods store. Travel Macau, New York. Okay, so now we're in this little alley, and this is going to be our target street. So we're going to fade on out. I'm going to come around the corner. Looks kind of cool. So we're going to come around the corner, and then we're going to go into this red and white one that we're right next to it. And we'll kind of combine it. Oh, it's going to show you this side. So we got a photo place. Medical. Then we also have some artwork too, so you can see a little bit of design right there. And then this is, you can get the waffle stuff right here too. Okay, so this is just a little tiny alley, but you do have some nice architecture right outside of it. Try to move the crowd a little bit. And now we're gonna go right here. You can see this is Teatro Capitol right there. So that big red and white building was the Capitol, which I heard was let's try to get in. You can see the sign up there. This spot of the sidewalk is usually crowded, but just in general, there's a lot of people today. So we're gonna go on in. And then this one is the one side. You can see they have some Chinese New Year stuff here too. Hello. So we're gonna navigate. And then if you go all the way up, you can see you can go up this way. So the cinema used to be up at the top. So if we went all the way up the top, you'd be able to see some of that as well. You can take the elevator up. But what we're gonna do is just kind of pass through. I have done other videos where I filmed the cinema. It's no longer in use as a active cinema, but they do have some film festivals there sometimes. So it is still available to be used. So yeah, that's all part of the Capitol Cinema. So we started on our street on that side, but we're gonna go over to this Angel Street. And this is always a really great street to film. And since it's here and I haven't been in here in quite a while, we'll just try to capture it real quick. So this is the other side of the Capitol Cinema. Hello. And we got all the people all the way down that way. So a lot of times I'll walk all the way down. This is actually a really beautiful alley, especially in the evening when the lights come on. But we are going to, this is called Travessa dos Años, but we're not going to target this one right now. Instead what we're going to do is navigate back to our street. Some nice tiles everywhere here. Okay, so let's go all the way back to where we started. Doner kebab. Hey, crowded today. We're gonna come out to the beginning of the street. I'm just gonna go briefly to this side. Then yeah, that's the Teatro Capitol. So I heard that was one of the first cinemas where people would come, and then it kind of went into disuse. And then I heard that it was like a pornography for a little bit, and then it just kind of went to the wayside. But it's still there, and all the remnants are still there. And we are going to come back to our target street. And then this was our alley. There's some nice cool buildings right there. So this is ours, Beco de Arruda. Okay, so we're gonna end it. So that's Arruda right there. Okay.
Macau, oh my Macau, it's good to see you now, and I know I'll see